What's your job here, Phil?
General dog body, I should imagine. But I'm part of the team here at Lower Blakemere, which includes you obviously, and Monty most importantly, and Dennis, who run the farm.
And tell us a bit about the farm.
So the farm is mainly arable, but we've got a single suckler beef herd as well, plus various diversifications. The arable aspect, we grow at this point everything that's combinable, so no roots. And we're currently several years into transitioning from a fairly conventional arable system to a more regenerative system.